Alexa, good night.
Nighty night.
So, what if I told you that with just less than $100, you can control your light, your appliances, and even your morning routine all from your phone or your voice? So, welcome to episode 1 of Smart Home on a Budget. And today I'll be showing you a starter smart home system that is affordable, super easy to set up, and incredibly useful. So, this is not just about the gadget, it's about saving you energy, it's about saving you time, and also it's about your smart home journey towards automation without you breaking the bank. These are the set of devices that I'll be working with today for our smart home automation. And starting on the list is a smart plug, which we are going to be using to automate our standard devices. This is from Amazon Basics, and it's a pack of 4. And the next on the list is a smart dimmable LED bulb. This is great for mood lighting and energy efficiency. So this is from Dimmable. You can decide to get from another manufacturer, but I got this from Dimmable based on recommendation. And the last on the list is our brain box, which is the Amazon Echo. And this brings voice control and automation to our entire setup. So I've had this for some time now, and I decided to use what I have. But in case you don't have any, then you might purchase it newly. Total cost, just under $100, and if you time it with sales, even less. So now let's connect our devices. The very first one that I'm connecting is my Amazon Echo device. And to start with, you have to download the Amazon Alexa app, which I have already done. And then you want to open the app. So I've downloaded the app, so I don't need to download again. In case you haven't downloaded the app, so that's the very first thing you want to do. Then once you open the application, the Amazon app, you want to tap on the plus icon at the top right hand corner, then select device. So there are shortcuts already populated on Amazon Alexa app, which is the very first one is the Amazon Echo, which is the device that I'm pairing. So you want to tap on Amazon. And the very next thing is, so what are we pairing with? We have Echo, Echo Dot, Echo Pop, and more. So for me, mine is Echo. So you want to tap on the Echo. In case you have other types there, you might just scroll down and see other types there. So is your Echo plugged in and displaying an orange light? Obviously, mine is plugged in and it's displaying orange light. In case it's not displaying an orange light, then you want to press this action button. Then this will automatically reset the device. So mine is displaying an orange light. Then I just want to press yes. Then this is practically searching for the device. And the device name is Echo.-41A. So tap on this and then searching for Wi-Fi. So this is a case where you're connecting to the Wi-Fi. So this might take a little while. I guess it should be just a few seconds, so let's wait for some time. So it's connecting to my saved Wi-Fi now. So I already have a Wi-Fi connected to my phone, and these automatically connect my
Your device. I'll let you know when it's ready.
Awesome. So this connected automatically. So connected to Wi-Fi, success. Then we're done. We're connected to Wi-Fi.
Your Echo is ready.
So click on continue, and this is another thing we have to do. Choose the language for Alexa. So I speak English and I'm in the United Kingdom, so I'll leave it the way it is. In case you speak a different language, you might just have to select it if you speak English. If you speak German, for instance, or you speak Dutch. So select which one is applicable to you, then click on continue. So it's asking us a question, where is this device at? Apparently this is my address. Then I just want to click on this and continue. And we want to customize it. It's practically just giving it a name. So you might give it any name you want. So let's just name this one Smart Home. You can give it anything you want. Smart Home Episode 1. Or let's just leave it Smart Home 1. So then The common name, we want to leave it, okay, we want to leave it as Smart Home 1. You can practically give it any name you want, so let's click on next. Which room is your Echo Dot in? So it's just asking us, where are you going to be placing your Echo Dot? For me, I'll be placing it in the kitchen for now. So I'll press the kitchen, then continue. So then we're connected. Now let's go. So the next setup is the Dimmable Smart Wi-Fi light bulb. So you want to download the app. You can either download the app using the QR code that comes with the leaflets, or you can find it on App Store or Google Play Store. So for me, I've downloaded the app using the QR code there. So I just want to go ahead and open up the app. Don't allow. Then there's some things you have to just confirm before you continue. Create a TP-Link ID. You can create a TP-Link ID if you haven't done so, but for me, I have not done that. It's the first time, so I just have to create a TP-Link ID. Where do you live? I live in the UK. Then it's just practically asking you for your email address. Enter your email address, put in your password, and then confirm the password. Then accept. So another thing we want to do now is we've been sent an activation code. So let's go to the activation code, then activate it. So let's go back to the app, activated, and log in. So put in your password, log in. Allow Tapo to find Bluetooth devices. So we just want to allow this. Do you want to save your password? It's up to you. So what we want to do now is to add the Tapo Smart Light Bulb to the Tapo Hub. And the very first thing we need to do is ensure that you've connected or you've plugged in your Tapo Smart Bulb into the socket, and ensure you turn it on. So once you turn it on, it is going to flash 3 times. That's to show that the connection is right and the device itself is having a network. So if you use an iPhone, go to settings, and under settings, go to Wi-Fi, and ensure that you connect to the Tapo Wi-Fi network. So it is going to create a network on itself. For me, it's creating a Tapo Bulb 0B61. Disconnect from maybe your home's Wi-Fi network and ensure that you connect to the Tapo Wi-Fi. That's the very first thing you want to do. Then the second you want to do is go back to your phone and then search for local network. So search for local network, tap on this local network, and then it's going to bring out loads of networks. So search for Tapo, which is right here, and ensure it is enabled. If this is not enabled, you might struggle with the connection. So ensure this is enabled. Then go back to the Tapo app, which is right here. So go back to the Tapo app, tap on it. Then it brings the app interface. Then you want to click on, or you want to tap on the top right hand side corner of the app. Tap on the positive sign there, then tap on add device. So what device are we adding? We're adding the light bulb, which is right here. Tap on the light. So what's the brand of the light we're adding? For me, I'm adding Tapo L530. So this is right here. Tap on the Tapo L530, tap on it. Then install your Tapo device, click on next. Power up your Tapo device. Like I said earlier, ensure that your Tapo is connected to the socket and ensure it is turned on. Once it turns on, it's going to flash 3 times. Click on next, then connect to your Wi-Fi. So now it's searching for the Wi-Fi. Now, so it's searching for my home's Wi-Fi network, which is the very first one, and tap on it. Then you need to enter your password. So I'll enter my password very quickly. Then it's pairing. So it is paired now. So the next thing you want to do is you just want to name your device. So you can name it anything you like. I want to name it Smart Bulb, but you can put anything you want. You can always change it later. So I'll leave it the same way it is. I'll leave it on the default Smart Bulb. Click on next. Then where are you going to place the light bulb, the smart light bulb? So I'm placing it in the living room. You can place it anywhere you want. It doesn't really matter. So for me, I'll be placing it in the living room. Click on next. Then choose an icon. You can choose anything you want. I'll just leave it the way it is. Click on next. Then almost done. Check for firmware. Sounds good. Then we're paired. Alexa, change the color of the living room light to gold.
Okay.
Alexa, change the color of the light at the living room to green.
Okay.
So, and the final thing we want to set up is the Amazon Basics Smart Plug. And to do that, click on the Alexa app that we downloaded earlier. Then at the top right hand side corner, click on the positive sign, then tap device. So what device are we installing? Or what device are we setting up? And we're setting up the plug. What brand is the plug? This is Amazon Basics. There are a couple of plugs, smart plugs that you can purchase and install here. Just ensure that it's compatible with Alexa. So the one that I'm installing is the Amazon Basics. So I need to tap on the Amazon Basics. So what type of plug is it? Which Amazon Basics plugs do you have? I have the smart one, which is a smart plug. Then click on next. Is your plug turned on? Yes, it's turned on. Find a set code for your device. So in the leaflet that comes with the device, there are about 4 sets of QR codes. And I've installed or I've plugged in two out of them. So this is the very first one that I plugged in. Then I need to just scan the code. Then, so the scone is scanned. And we're not looking for the Amazon Basics smart plug. Make sure your device is powered on. Our device is powered on. So it's looking for it now. So the next thing now is to connect the Amazon Basics to Wi-Fi. This is my Wi-Fi network. Click on next. And this might take a couple of minutes or less than 1 minute. So Amazon Basics Smart Plug found and connected. This is one of the plugs connected. Let 3 to go. So test. So I can hear it click now, which is to show that it's going on and off. So let's go to the next one. And where's the plug? So this is practically saying, where's the plug going to be? So I'm going to leave one of the plugs in the room. So I'll just select bedroom and add to group. So second plug added to the bedroom. Done. Alexa, turn off the TV.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on the TV.
Okay.
So the next thing we want to do now is, since we've added our device to the Tapo app, and Tapo is a third party app. So what we want to do now is to add the device which we've just connected. We want to add it to the Alexa app. So to do that, go to the Amazon Alexa app.
To your to-do list.
Yeah, so to do that, tap on the positive icon, then click on device. So what device are we adding? We're adding the light, which is a Tapo light. So tap on the light. Then what's the brand of lights we're adding? So scroll to the bottom of the page. We're adding the Tapo light. So we need to scroll down to where letter T is. And this is TP-Link Tapo. Tap on it. And does your TP-Link light have a matte logo? So mine doesn't have a matte logo. There's a slight logo. If you check the smart light bulb, there should be a logo there but for me, it doesn't have a matte logo. So I'll click on no. Is your light turned on? So the light is turned on at the moment. Click on yes or tap on yet. Yes. Is your light already set up in the TP-Link Tapo app? So we just completed that task now. It's set up. Click on Yes. Then can you control your light using the TP-Link Tapo app? Yes, we can do that. Then next, Alexa will discover your new lights. Click on next. Then
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
So it's practically looking for the devices to connect to, and it's saying this can take up to a minute, but we just have to wait for that. So it has found one TP-Link Tapo light. It says one TP-Link Tapo light found and connected. So click on next. And where's your light? Mine is going to be in the living room, or you can skip it. It doesn't really matter. So skip. You want to add it to the group. You can skip it or you can add it to the group. So let's just skip it. Choose which routine you want to turn. Choose which routines you want to turn on. So this one it's something we will do later in the video. So we will be creating a routine whereby if we say something, then an action is going to be performed. So let's keep this operation. We will do that later. Then smart bulb is set up and ready to use. Then done. So if you go to the Amazon Alexa app that we've created, you will see all the devices that I've added. This is a smart bulb that I recently added, and these are the plugs that controls my television and other gadgets that I have. And this is my Echo. So this is all set up and done. So now we've been able to connect our 3 devices. We've connected our Echo Dot device. We've connected our Amazon Basics smart plug, and then we've connected our smart light bulb. So the next thing we want to do now is to create a routine. So now let's add a routine. And what this means is when you say something, for instance, when you say good morning or when you say good night, then what are the things you expect to occur? For instance, when you say good morning, you want your light to be turned on, you want the TV to be turned on, you want your coffee maker to turn on. So it's just the same way. So to create a routine on this app, tap on the positive icon at the top right hand side corner, then click on routine. So what events do we want to add? Let's put good night. So let's put it as good night, then click on next. Then when I say good night, what are the actions that I want? So tap on add an action. So what I want is my smart home. I want my light in the living room, the smart bulb that we installed earlier. I want it to, you can set the power. So do you want the power to come on or come off? So I want the power to go off. Tap on off, click on next. Then what other actions do I want anytime I say good night? So tap on smart home again. Then I want my plugs. That's the plug that connects my TV. Tap on TV, click on next. So what do I want? I want my TV to go off anytime I say good night. So tap on off, click on next. What other actions do I want? I want a response. So when I say good night, I want to hear good night. So click on Alexa says, then maybe you want the device to tell you a joke or wish you good night as well. So wish me a good night and click on next, then save. So we've saved our very first routine and we will be putting this to a test. So note that sometimes when you're adding a routine, it can take up to a minute or a little less than a minute for this to be activated. So just to recap, what this means is anytime I say something like say good night, my TV goes off, my light in the living room goes off, and I want to hear good night. So that's the routine. And now let's put this to a test. Alexa, good night.
Nighty night.
All of this adds to your convenience, it saves you energy, and this practically sets you up for a future smart home automation upgrade, and you did it for just less than $100. So that's your smart home starter kit. It's simple, it's easy to install, it's budget friendly, and guess what? We are just getting started. In episode 2, I'll be diving into home security on the budget, and I'll show you affordable cameras, motion sensors, and I'll show you the tips and tricks to get your home protected using the tech that you already own. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe, put a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.